Hi and welcome to day 19 of my 30 days learning to hack challenge. Okay, so today happens to be I am a member of the Cyber Learners community, and then today happens to be our hacking assessment. And then I'm going to be doing this assessment and I'll be recording it. Okay, so for this assessment, we are asked to exploit using Metasploit, okay, to exploit services that are available on Metasploit. All of the services, do our recording, screenshot, and then document it. That is what we are asked to do. So I'll use that as my day 19 challenge. So I've already started Kali Linux. I've started up the machine. So the next machine I want to start up now is Metasploit. So that too will come up in a bit. So when it comes up, I'll just run an NMAP. The very first step to exploitation is scanning. You have to scan to see available available services on the target machine, target machine you're trying to exploit. Okay, so since the target machine is Metasploit, so I'll be scanning it from here, from Kali. Alright, so let me check this up now. Okay, so we're waiting for it to finish loading, and then I will just run an nmap. Yeah. Okay, so Metasploit is up. Next is to enter enter login, msf admin. Password is the same thing, admin. So with that, we are going to look for, first thing is to get to know the IP address. So for Metasploit, this is how you get to know IP address. For Kali Linux, if config, alright. So the IP address is here, 192.168.15.5. Okay, so we head over to Kali Linux and map 192.168. Oh, 168 dot, what was that again? 15.5.15.5. Okay, we are not just gonna do we are gonna do service version number 1, and then OS version 2, OS type, OS detection. So let's see what this is gonna return for us. Okay, it's accessing that guy. So let's wait for it. I'm expecting a result. Okay, I'm expecting a result. One, because I've set them to be able to see each other. Remember when I was setting up the network configuration? in the previous video. So I've set them to be able to locate each other, to be able to find and communicate with each other. Alright, before now, I told you I tried this same thing earlier. It did not work. After installing Metasploit, I checked for the IP address. It gave me the IP address. I tried to reach it from Kali. It did not work at all. Although I did not scan, I didn't scan. I went to the browser. What I did was try to access it from here. Okay, let me use what I did earlier to see. I used the browser and I just typed 192. I typed the IP address of Metasploit, then it did not access it. So let's try it this time around again. I don't know why it takes so long for my browser to load. Okay, let's see. Oh, damn it. All of these are all 978 ports are closed. These ports are open. Port 21, port 22, port 23. By default, every system has 65,325 ports. Okay, so my, what is it called now? This guy, Firefox is up. So let me try to access it from here too. Don't restore any session. Don't restore, please. One 192.1 168.15. I'm not even doing anything. I'm having trouble. 5. One 92.168.10.5. Email. Let's check it. Let's see. Yay! Okay, so let's get back here. Okay, no, let's go back here. All right, so we've seen the ports that are open. Man, there are plenty. I need to take a screenshot of this. All the ports that are open. Okay. So, which is true. See the OS. The OS is running is Linux. Remember when we were setting up the Metasploit? We selected Linux as our OS, right? Okay, so it is very correct. Very, very correct. Alright. So I'm glad we are doing this NMAP again so that you see the actual, you know, the last time we did NMAP, we used Google DNS server. So it wasn't giving us much something like this. And I told you, because the reason why it's not giving us much detail like that is because it's very secured. So, and Metasploit, like I said, is deliberately vulnerable so that you can have a feel of what these things are. Okay, so let's do the next thing of what NMAP results can actually look like in a real case scenario where the system is vulnerable. So this is it. Okay, so the next thing is to research on the vulnerability of these services that we found. So a lot of things happened. So 21, 22, 23, 25, 53, 80, alright. So first we are going to be checking the vulnerability of port 21, which is FTP. So the very first step is to grab the banner. Alright, so to do that, NMAP P 21, which is the port we are looking at. Script. Excuse me, then the IP address. What was the IP address again? 192.168.15.5. Right? I think so. Yes. Yes, it is. Let's see. That's it. So okay. So we are anonymous login is allowed. That was what we checked for here. If anonymous login is allowed. So anonymous login is allowed. So let's log in.